Hello. Yes, I'm late. I know. I'm late because I was trying to fix a problem with the reCAPTCHA that is actually not working anymore on our website. I don't know why, but it seems it's not working anymore. I don't know if it's a global problem or it's only my problem, but basically so strange. So strange, boys! Hello. Yeah, I'm trying to, but I don't know. Tough life. There is always something broken, you know? There is always something broken. There is always something that breaks. I don't know. That is new. I mean, it never happened to me, but there is always a first time. There is always a first time. So, let me just close a few things because I think I have some private keys for the CAPTCHA, for the reCAPTCHA. And in theory, I mean, if you read them, I don't think nothing happens really. But anyway, just to avoid, you know, whatever. Wait, okay, I think we are fine. I can switch the screen. So basically, where am I? I am here. Fix the fog. So basically, you know, if you try to go here and ask for password recovery, right? There is this thing popping up and you click I'm not a robot, and now I did it like 100 times, and so it's always popping this up for me. Mountains or hills? I don't know, this three. It's becoming harder and harder, you know. Now it's all because it really doesn't like me because I did it 100 times. But if I submit, bro, look at this. There is a not found error 404. What the fuck? What the hell is going on? And basically what I'm printing, wait. I'm printing success, challenge DS, which basically this array is completely empty. And then I'm trying to print this result. And then I'm trying to print this. Configure captcha base. Wait a second. Configure captcha recaptcha. Wait a second. What do you mean recaptcha base? I don't have a recaptcha base. Wait a second. What do you mean I don't have a recaptcha base? What? Wait a second. I don't have a what? Site verify. Google site verify. Yeah, absolutely. What? No, wait. There is a mistake, obviously. Site verify. I don't have it. Wait a second, because here it seems that we are missing a line. Is it possible that we are missing a line? System config. Recaptcha base. Bro, we are missing a line. What? Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. HTTPS. Yes. Config. Yes. Wait. Maybe. I don't know why. So, I mean, okay. I mean, I didn't change it in a million years. Okay, I'm confused, but it's fine. Okay, let's try to load it this way. So I added the... think you have 3 bug tracker account because I never receive any recovery email from PlaneShift, but the... No, but wait. Backtracker is a completely different website than PlaneShift recovery email. Is a different server, different machine, different everything. So I mean, let's work one site at a time, okay? Because multi-site starts to be too hard for me. What? 450? Wait. I think we are close though. We are close. I think something happened. Wait. There is a chance. We have a chance now. Cross your fingers. I'm using PHP mailer. I'm using SendMail. Unchanged in a million years. But usually the stuff that didn't change, you know, it always work. Wait a second, huh? One problem at a time, huh? Stairs. This one and this one and this one. Okay. Unbelievable. Okay, it works. Now the question is why? I was completely missing a variable. But that code never changed in like 20 years. No, 20 years no, but in few years. And the CAPTCHA site is telling me that this thing worked until yesterday. Look, do you want to see this? Look at this picture. This picture is saying that this chart shows how many times a user or a bot interacted with ReCAPTCHA and completed ReCAPTCHA verification on our website. You see 0606 2022. We had 15 requests successfully completed, right? So 2 days ago, it was working. And then it stopped working on the 7th and on the 8th. Right? Now, in the code, I was missing the website to send the request. How is it possible? Maybe there was a default or something. That now the default disappeared. I don't know. That is so strange. But anyway, the good news is that it's fixed. I'm very happy that I fixed it. But now If you ask me why, I can say, well, he was missing a piece of code. And you may say, then why was working 2 days ago? And to that question, I will probably answer magic. Because there is no other, you know? I mean, someone changed the file. Someone went into that file and removed that line to skip the chapter. No, because it failed. So even if a hacker got access to our server and removed that line, it was not successful. But probably that's the only solution. Probably that's the only solution. Okay, so I changed that. Wait a second, because I need to change. So that file is okay. And then I have all those 3 million debug that I added actually. Because you see this debug email now is spamming, you know, debug. I mean, I can leave it, but it's a bit spammy. PHP mailer. Here we are using PHP mailer, which is working perfectly. Did I get the email? Let me see if I got the email. Let me see if I got the email. Under spam. Yes, I got the email. Easy. Welcome to Plane Shift. Your username is, your verification ID is. Perfect. Yes, the email arrives with no issues, boys. At least from this thing. But it stopped yesterday, by the way. You can complain, but it stopped exactly yesterday. So you can say what you want. You can say that, oh, it never worked. You can say, you know, you can say all you want, but until 2 days ago, it was working. Proven. Proven. Okay, let me just template article account, change password. Okay. No, it is working. It is working. Okay, let me notify the guy. Bug tracker 2. Bug tracker what? You are not receiving email from the bug tracker? No, the bug tracker. The bug tracker. The bug tracker. Wait a second, I need to close all this. So the bug tracker is not sending emails. How do I check that? I can ask for a password reset, but wait, I need to go on another screen, I guess, because it will show some stuff. I can ask for what? I can. What is your username? What is your username on the bug tracker? Do you have a shlu user? Shlu. Oh my god, your name. SCH what? Ah, shlu. I see a shlu here. Okay, I see a shlu. And update detail, notify email. Notify email. It was, yeah, I found it. The email is info@ something. Okay. Info at. So I think it's that one, right? And how can I send you an email? How can I force the system? I don't know. I don't know how to force the system to send you an email. I'm checking on the other screen, but I don't think I have a way. Bro, if you have email that do not exist, you have to go there and update it. That's why you're not receiving email. Go to the backtracker, log in as Shlu, go to your account and change your email. You can do that. You made one named Chris. Okay, wait. Users, I'm on the other screen, just because there are emails of people. There is a Chris. Last name starting with a G. Oh my god, this email is insane. The email is C underscore and then something crazy. I mean, long thing. Long name and last name and... So you're saying that in this email you don't receive anything? You don't receive stuff, huh? How can I ask for a lost password? I can do it like this. Wait, if I do this I can show it to you because I'm not showing anything secret. So if I do login and then I do password retrieval, enter your username, and so I enter username Talad and I say send link. A message has been sent to notification to your address. Okay. Let's see if I receive it. My address should be this one in theory. Yeah, if it's not sending email, that this machine is not sending email is possible, I have to say. Because this machine, I don't even know how it's sending email. I mean, I have no idea actually. No, I'm not receiving, at the moment at least, I didn't receive any email. I did not receive any email, not even in spam or anywhere else. So probably the email from this website are not working. Let me check something. I don't know where is the email integration though. Operating system, no, resolution, pending request, preferences, notifications, email address, reply to. I have no idea what is using as a system to send emails. I have no idea. And I don't have access to this machine directly. This machine is managed by Andrew. I can write an email to him. But I don't see... I have no idea how FlySpray is integrated into... FlySpray email integration. FlySpray. I think it goes through PHP, so it's probably using SendMail. I don't know. I can ask Andrew if he has any interest in helping. I will write to him, okay? And we will see if he answers something. Todd is near 20 years. What? I know Todd made the second one, but actually. You can, yeah, I have to ask anyway to change my account with that old, no longer existing domain to something current. I mean, where? In Fly Spray? You can do it yourself if you can log in. I don't understand the request. What do you need? So let me compose an email to Andrew and say emails sent by Fly Spray on Idla Plaza site. Hi Andrew, I hope all is well with you. I noticed that the Fly Spray installed on Idla Plaza site is not sending emails. I'm not sure which system is using, but can you check if the machine has send mail capabilities and the PHP mailer capabilities? Thanks. I don't know, we can write this email and see if Andrew wants to fix it, because this is one of the few websites of PlaneShift that I don't have access. I don't have a SSH usage. I have to ask any way to change my account. Also the game, I cannot log into Fly Spray. Okay, I can reset your password if you want. Are you on Discord? I can reset your password myself, so if you forgot your password, I can reset it. Where are you? Where are you? Obviously you are a different name, I guess, in Discord, right? Just to make my life easier. So message me on Discord, whatever you want to. Ah no, you are a Shlu on Discord. Ah, that's easy. Okay, hi. So the emails, I can tell you the emails that are used at the moment. Okay, so there are 2 accounts, but I would like to. Okay, anyway, let's do this. Let's do this 1 second, okay? Even if I have to move on, we have stuff to do in PlaneShift. But fine, just for you, huh? Shlu. Lulu. Okay, there is 1 account that has this email. Wait, where are you? First account has this email. Second account has this email. If you want, I can change the email or I can change the password. Chris, edit. This is the other email. So these are the 2 emails that are used in Fly Spray, right? So if you tell me what is the email you want and what is the password, I can change it right now in 1 second, because I have the page open and it's very, very easy. You tell me just the... But you can log in even if you don't have access to the email, you know? So you just log in with that email and that's it. And that's it. There is a 3rd account. Oh my god, a 3rd account, bro. No, that one doesn't exist. That account, the last one that you told me, doesn't exist. I'm speaking Fly Spray, eh? Okay, man, let's do it offline, because you are speaking game, I'm speaking Fly Spray. I mean, it's not working. Okay, so what we want to do tonight is to continue with the navigation path. Actually, there is a lot to do in navigation path, and 1 second. I don't know why I have this open. I don't know why I have this open. Why I have this open? Why I have this open? I have like 3 million. Yeah, but it is okay. This one no. This one yes. This one no. This one is fine. Okay, I'm back. So there are many waypoints that we need to fix, right? And I think there are so many that I will anyway do a dump of the wall thing. Wow, it's already 10:30 because I arrived late and then we fixed this. But I'm happy that we fixed the Rechapka thing on the website because it was actually broken. It was really broken. It was. Okay, so we are starting the game. So one of the problem I have is that the navigation point that we need to change are too many. So I think that the idea of having wait. I think the idea of having where is it? This one of having SQL updates. I don't think is a good thing. It will take me too much time, right? So I think I just change them in the game, and then we just dump the whole set of tables. So we dump waypoints and points, and we just reload the full set. I think is the only way, because I'm really doing so many changes that going line by line, point by point is not feasible anymore. So still loading, huh? It's still loading. Okay, now it's up because it's giving me the error about the email thingy. Okay. I think we can also test it already with some NPC. Basically, one technique that we have, we can percept an NPC to move from one place to another. So we can actually ask the NPC to navigate the points. Where the hell am I? No idea. Why when I connect is always night? It's always night. It's always 1 o'clock. Probably because it's saved on the database, huh? Yeah, that's possible. That's very possible. Okay. So here I have no idea where I am. So we are in Oja Road 1. Okay, we are in Oja Road 1. And the point was... Ah, yes. Now I remember. And the point was to ensure that we have a connection. So if I do path display... If I do path display... Uh-oh. What happens? What? There are no path. Oja Road 2, entrance to Oja Road 1. Okay, wait a second. Maybe I'm in a place where there are no... It's kind of strange. It's dark. Ah, you see? Here we have that. Okay. Here we have that. So, these ones are actually valid. Yes. These ones are actually valid. Now... Yes. 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 Until here is all good. Well. What the? Why when I say forward is not going forward? What? He went in a completely different direction. What the fuck? He's not considering forward the real forward for whatever reason. It's kind of strange. Oh my god, cannot slide, contact plane shift support. Yes, because we are out of sector. He's asking me to contact plane shift support, can you believe it? I fixed all the NPC in Oja and few in East Idla till the fog of death killed me. What is the fog of death? I mean the fog in Unreal? I think I've never seen fog in Unreal. I mean, there is actually, but I think I've never seen it. I mean, apart from when I developed it, which was a long time ago. Okay, so here I think we are still good. Like this path are all good. You posted a screenshot on Discord. And then Unreal Engine. Where? I entered the plaza coming from Ida East and this happened, I cannot move anymore. I see the screenshot. Okay, I don't know. I will check it. But is it consistent or it happened only one time? You can change the weather here in theory. If you go under devs and you move this weather slider, in theory you change the weather. So you can try that. Okay. Where are we here? Okay. So all these paths seems to be fine. Let me just check one thing that I need to verify. One thing that I need to verify. I want to check if I have this one. If I have this one. In the map. Number 10. Yes, I think we have it, huh? And number 12, Coberas Pass. Okay, so this is... Okay, so this is actually Camp Banished and is on the map. Okay, let me do this. Let me do a pause just to be sure that we capture it, because so I can teleport here again in the future. We will go Oja Road 1 because here we are in Oja Road 1, right? And I go Camp Banished. And this one is 284931, 284931, minus 334621, minus 334631, and 10980, 10980. Okay, so there is a TP to this place. Now the waypoint here seems to be fine, so we're not gonna change them. But I think there is a but, and the but is okay. The problem is that... Wait, I think I lost myself as usual. I lost myself. Because the road is that one, eh? So we have to go that direction, actually. So that is the connection point that we are missing, I think. This one is the connection. So that direction, there is the connection point that we are missing. Yes, I think so. Okay. So, okay. So here we are still in Oja Road 1, but here we are in Haidla Plaza. So here is already the other map. So here we have a switch of map. I mean, you cannot see it, but because it's all dynamic and all fancy and beautiful. But actually there is a switch of map, right? And yes, exactly. And we have a problem because this one is not finishing. So 11.051. 11.051. No, I'm just surprised that this one is not pointing anywhere. Why this one is not pointing anywhere? So here there may be the disconnection, eh? Because you see that this waypoint is not pointing anywhere. And this is definitely a problem. And this one is pointing. No. Did I lose one waypoint? I think I didn't. I think these two are connected, but considering they are on different maps, yeah, that's why. These two are connected, but considering they are on different maps, you don't see the line. And that's okay. The problem is that I don't know if we have enough waypoints to do this road, because this road is fairly long. And yeah, maybe we can reuse so here we have many points. Let me see. Yeah, for example, this one in the middle is a bit useless. The point is that if I have to move them all is a bit of a mess, but probably is the only choice. Okay. So I think the idea will be to move this guy down. So this guy should actually go. This guy is 11051, right? So that guy will arrive probably here. 11051 will arrive here. So I do path move point 11051. Okay, and now the point is here. This one, and is also in Idla Plaza, but we don't care. This one 778, if we can, I will push it. I will push it here. Right? And then we need to recover at least one point on the other side, I guess. 778. So I will move waypoint 778 here. Okay. Okay, you see that this is now connected. Well, it's not the best, but anyway, it's connected, so maybe it's good enough, you know. Yeah, this one is a bit... because there is a big turn here, so that's why. I think it's fine. For now, I think it's fine. I can move it a bit more here, but then I have the same problem there. It's in general relog. I can restart the server. If I restart the server, I think it will disappear. Because the weather is... I mean, it's only in that play. Okay, let me restart the server and maybe it's good enough, you know. Boom. Dead. Okay, the server is restarting, so maybe the fog will go away. Hopefully. So now we need to move this guy, 11050. We will move it here, right? On 1050 we will move it here. And then that one we will move it here and then we are good. $49, we will move it here. And I think we are okay. So I'm trying to maintain the links so that we are not changing the links of 49. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay. We'll go a bit through the tree, but fine. Fine. Okay. So basically now we connected Oja Road 1 to Oja Road, to Idla. Okay, so these two pieces. Let me just take a position because I may need to come back here again or not. No, maybe not. Maybe I don't need this place. Okay, so now if we go up a bit and we go forward a bit faster, right? Now we are okay, we are here. Well, that was not exactly where I wanted to go. I think I went a bit too much, but it's okay. Let me know if after the restart is working. Okay, so that's the road I was seeking, so that is fine. That is fine, so that connection is all good. Okay, and that connection, I think here we are pretty much in the right place, huh? We are pretty much in the right place, because from here, I don't know. Because from here, because I think that here there is another map that starts, right? Because here we are in Plaza, but I think if I go a bit further, like here, we are in Jayos. No, here we are still in Plaza. So if we are still in Plaza, in theory we should see the connection. Why we don't see it? We don't see it because this was inside a connection between the city and the outside, and in particular I didn't want to High Oja 2. Okay, so the map between, so it was a High Oja 2. Now, did I change High Oja 2 or not? Ioja 2. Yes, actually I changed it. Ioja 2. And I moved it all in Hydla Plaza. Okay. 55 and 56. The problem of 55 and 56. 55 and 56. So for example, 11074. 11074. 11074. Pat point 11074. 15. Why is not showing up? Ah, wait. No, I think it is. I think it is showing up. Is that one? Because I have yeah, absolutely. Is this one? 100%. Is this one? This one is 11074, you say? So this one is... This one is the connection point between... So 11074, 11074... Okay, so these are the two... Yes. Perfect. Now the problem is that we have the waypoint that we are missing. 778, 788. 778, 788. 778, 788. 778. So this, wait. So if I teleport me map and I go there. Okay, good. That is good. And now 788. 788. There is another sector though, eh? It's sector 49. It's sector 49. Teleport failed. Teleport failed. So probably this one is inside something. Teleport failed. I think it's below me. I think it's below. No? It's not below me. If it's not below me, I need to go inside Jayo's map and display. Here we are still idler. But we got a teleport failed, so probably that waypoint is below ground or is inside the ground somehow. Okay, this is still idler. He's in the wrong sector anyway, I think. Wow, it's still... So here must be Jayo's. Okay, now here is Jayo's, so we do path display. Because the paths are... These paths are too low, fuck. So that one is correct, is too low though, because we cannot teleport. If the paths are so low on the ground, the NPC will not be able to move. And also they will not be able to teleport, so we need to raise it a bit. Which may be an issue, because we have to do it for everything. Oh my god. Well, I can take all of them maybe and raise them by half a meter. I mean, depends if the NPC try to spawn, he will not be able to. But move, yes, he will be able to. I think. But in general, it would be better if these ones are slightly higher. Let me change the music. Let me change the music. Too many windows. Too many windows. I think I will add the Borderlands 3 music. Assuming that it's not getting copyright striked, then I don't know. Well, actually, I think we can do a test. Let me play it a bit and see if you get a copyright strike. If not, I will add it the next time. I need to go super low volume, but because it's very loud. It is the music of Borderlands, and let's say if we get a copyright strike, I will delete it. Okay, so the point is, should I move all these ones? Should I move all these ones up a bit? Yeah, because they are all on the ground, huh? By the way, it's much better if I'm flying. I don't know why when I just slide I don't go in fly mode. I have no idea. All these ones are on the ground. Ground, I mean. It's a bit harder to move while flying though. Star Citizen? Didn't play though. I'm trying to put music only of games that I played. Pretty much. So these are too many to change, so I think I will not. I will not change them. We just see if the NPC can move fine or not. In theory, they should be able to. At least the normal characters, I think they should be able to move. The only one I want to change is, I think, that one in front of me. Because that one is... Because that one is in the wrong sector. So 788. 788. Okay. We moved it. Okay, so now this one will be a bit higher and also in the right sector. Okay, so the city, I think we should not check it. The city, I think, is probably fine. The city, I think, is fine. The city is fine. Do we have Pat in the winch? Probably not, huh? So NPC cannot move in the winch. How easy is to get access to the winch by mantling on the buildings? I think easy. Yeah? That is a problem. That is a big problem. But anyway, I think you can gain entrance to the winch just by jumping on top of stuff. Fairly easy. Like for example there. Jumping from here to here and then jumping down. Yeah, for sure you can. That's a problem. But anyway, that's a problem for another day. That's a problem for another day. I like these towers. I mean, the textures are very old, but you know, and there is a bit of a fuck up here in the texture and in the geometry, but I really like these towers. They've been designed long time ago, when we were kids. When we were kids. Okay, so, but anyway, let me just double check that we don't have Pat in the winch. Well, actually, wait a second. Maybe it's another sector. Maybe it's another sector, eh? Idla wing. Ah, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. There are a lot. 108. Holy moly. Okay, the question is, do we have this sector in the new game? That I don't know. We will try to see it right now. Yes, we have it. Okay, that's very nice. So I can pat display here as well and see what happens. Wow! Look at the path, boys! Wow! The network. The network of path. Yes, we have them all. And they are all positioned properly, by the way. Very nice. Okay, so this I think is good. Did you check if the server restart fixed the fog, Shlu? Okay, so we have that. Now, the arena, I fixed it already. So the arena should be fine. All these parts should be fine. Okay, I think the place where it can still be fucked up is the is Bronze Door Road. The road that is there to the north. The one I'm trying to reach at the moment. So if I go that direction 500 meters, pretty much. The loading. Wait, but I have a TP location which is in the right place where I want to go. Yeah, the north gate. Exactly. What is this mess? Oh my god. What is this? Because we had to navigate. Because the door can be closed. Ay. That's a big problem. That's a big problem. Because if the door is closed, the NPC will not be able to go through. Is the server foggy? I don't know. I just restarted it. Well, there is an issue, so we need to decide what to do with this. But not today. But okay, this one's... Well, this road is completely broken. Why this road is so broken? I don't know. But anyway. This road is very, very, very broken. I don't know if I want it so low. Should we fix it? But if we fix it, we should then... I don't know, it looks shit really. Is the main road going out of the main city? I don't know if I want to leave it like this. I think we should fix it probably. I don't know why I left it that way, but you know, I did a lot of terraforming and it's never enough. It's never enough. No fog? Okay. I can't as well. Yeah, there is the slider under devs. There is the slider. I don't know if the slider is actually working, but in theory it should. If you go under options and then dev. There is a weather slider. And you can try to use it and see what happens. Bro, look at this road. It's all broken. No, we cannot have a road like that. We cannot have a road like that. What is that? So I was just checking the music of Borderlands and see if we can use it or not. Okay, so here we have a problem. This thing is going down a bit. I mean, I'm okay with down a bit, but I'm not okay with like holes like that. And then the road being completely broken here. Also, it is a main road. Sure, it should really be. It should really be. It should really be properly flat, I would say, or maybe not perfectly flat, but kind of. And also a bit larger, like... Again, this is kind of a main road, so... If we can make it slightly larger, I think would be better. Not super large, but this music is a bit crazy, eh? I think enough. Enough for now. The fog color is auto-filled. Yeah, that you should never click. Don't click on that apply at the bottom. Just slide the bar. The apply is only for the fields on the lights. The apply is only for that. So don't touch that apply. And don't touch the fog. Just move the slider on the weather. That should do it in theory. I never tested it much, but in theory it should do something. It may take a bit to apply though, because there is a kind of a mechanism to transition between different weather conditions. Okay, so when you move it, it will not happen. It will not happen immediately. Okay, so it will take a bit before happening, I think. But I never tested it too much, so I really don't know actually. You just have to test it and see what it does. Okay. It is slightly better, so not perfect like any medieval road, but at least not broken, right? And here it cannot be like that. It must be flat somehow. Right? So one way or another, it must be flat. Right? Don't even know if we should go down that much, actually. Probably not. The weather slider, yes, that's the only one that you should change. The weather slider. You are trying to change weather, so you should use the weather slider. And I don't know exactly what 100 means, but I think it was like sliding through all the possible weather. If it does nothing, it's probably broken. I don't know. It was a test that we did, but I don't know if it really works. Will be good to have it working so we can test weather, but okay, I think now is a bit better. Maybe not perfect, but a bit better. It's all very flat, I have to say, but I mean, it goes down a bit here, but very little. It's all very flat. Anyway. Here it goes down a bit. Finally. Okay, I think we can save it this way. Oh, the magic shop. The magic shop! Look at this. In all its renewed beauty. Who placed these two rocks that are looking like fake? I mean, they are specular one to the other. I mean, who the hell placed those two rocks? What is the point of those two rocks? Is there a meaning? I mean, they are like, I don't know, they look strange. Because they are exactly specular to each other. I think it's weird. I don't agree. I don't agree with these two rocks. So we change them. Okay. Better. I don't know what happened here, but it looks like something. I think this looks the typical place, the perfect place for a quest. I don't know exactly what is this, but probably there was a reason for that. Because you see, you can also go up by these small steps. Maybe there was a reason someone did that arch. I mean, if you want to have an arch, we can have an arch, but I don't think it should be that identical to each other, right? I don't know. It's too similar. But I don't know why you may want an arch like this, really. And how an arch like this could ever be created. No, I think it just looks weird, boys. I think it just looks weird. I don't like it. I have no idea why it's there, and I have no idea why. Also, these two rocks that pretty much look the same. I understand that they are here to cover that shit, that I understand. Because we don't like that shit, yes, but... I don't know, to me just looks like a mess. I think it was a bit of a test, I don't know. But it looks a bit messy, I don't know, it just looks very random. Okay, like this is better. Like this I like it more. Okay, we will have to recalculate lights and everything, yeah, but anyway. Yeah, when you change in the landscape, the navigation may change and the lights may change, so... but I will not check in the maps now. I will definitely not check it. I just want to do the fix because I saw the problem, but it's not something that I will check in immediately. By the way, Andrew answered saying that yes, he will check fly spray. Wow. Easy. Easy life when someone else is doing some work on plane shift. And not only me. And not only me. Okay, so what we were doing, we were at the north gate and we were trying to see if the if the waypoints were correct, right? We have this problem of the door. How to have the NPC open the door, I have no idea at the moment, but in theory I think the best would be to have like a trigger that works only for NPC. Well, it may work for players as well, but I don't know. Okay, so now we need to move some of these points. So 40,005. 40,005. Done. Then this one. 40,006. Done. And this one is already in good shape. Okay. The only problem, I think, that this character is a bit smaller, and so the midpoint equals the midpoint of the character. And so probably it's not a good idea to use this character. I think it's better if we use the Cran, so he's bigger and we get higher points that are compatible with everyone. The fog problem is a problem. I completely froze, and not just me, also Oja was frozen into the world. Yeah, but it happened again or not? Do you have the fog now, or it was just before? Because we need to understand if it's reproducible, you know, if it happens regularly and when it happens. If there is a pattern, you know, if there is a reason why it happens, I don't know. Okay, the other waypoint seems to be fine. Well, this one is really into the ground, so maybe I will move it a bit. And this one also is really into the ground. Okay, this one seems to be fine, fine, fine. Fine, fine. Well, this is a bit funky. So maybe we 40,012. 40,012, okay. And this one also is a bit weird. 40,013. Now, I don't know what happens here, but probably here we go to the magic shop. So it may be that this part of the road, was probably another sector. Yeah, it's very possible. It's very possible. So I think we need to do an update because it may be no. Oja no. IBDR maybe. Maybe IBDR. I don't know, I need to check on the old game to understand where was the connection. But definitely there was a connection. Because that was matching with the old with an old map. So too many directories, boys. Too many files, too many directories. Good night, Shlo. Can you just confirm if you still have the fog problem now, or it is gone now in the after the restart? If it's okay. Okay, so we log in here. So I think I want to go probably the easiest is to go into the magic shop. Now in the magic shop I don't think we have any path, right? Because it's inside a building, so I assume, well, I don't know, I don't know, let me see. No, we don't have any path inside of this. I don't know if we have path here. Seems that we don't. Okay, strange. I was expecting. This is called IBDR. It's called IBDR. And yes, you see there are some paths. IBDR2. Yes, there are some paths going to the BD road. IBDRs. Okay, so this is IBDR, and I guess that here we have a transition. Yes, we have a loading, and it is IBDR1, I guess. Yes. Okay, so IBDR1 and IBDR2. Now we just need to decide if we want to put them together with IBDR1 and IBDR2, if we want to put them together with Hydla or with Bronze Road, Brondors Road, because in reality, because this map is finishing here, I think we can go, I think we can probably have IBDR1 still being inside the Idla map. And the problem is that if I do that, then also the magic shop will be... maybe let's move it outside. Well, depends where the map is finishing, but the map is finishing there. I don't know when I'm flying is doing this. I don't know why. I think IBDR is ending. I think here we are still in Plaza probably. Yeah, here we are still in Plaza. So Plaza is a huge level. And probably IBDR starts from here or after this. I don't know. Maybe where there is that line. That's possible. Here we are still in Plaza. Yeah, here we are still in Plaza, still in Plaza, still in Plaza. Wow. Still in Plaza. Okay, here we are in BD Road 1. So yeah, pretty much The transition is here. Yeah, you can see here the road is very different, but we can fix it. We can fix this road. BD Road 1. Now, BD Road 1, I need to see... BD Road 1. BD Road 1. Wow, yeah. Complexity of the path is anyway interesting, so we will have quite some stuff to fix, I would say, but it's okay. There is all of that, and then okay, let's start to fix the high BDR, okay? I think it's the first priority. So the high BDR, the high BDR. We have 1 waypoint and about 20 path points, right? So I think we put them all in Idla. I think we should split one day some pieces of Idla, because this level is huge. I mean, it's really big, really big, and I think it's a problem. It's a problem in general. But anyway, so we go sector 15, where sector ID is equal 20, and sector 15 when it's 21. And then here we go the same, sector 15, where is 20, and sector 15 where is 21, okay? So we run, I can exit because anyway, let me just save in a position which is actually a valid position. Here. Okay, let me save here, because we'll have any way to restart the server because we are changing that. So we go here, we do this and this. Okay, now we execute all of that. Nice, and we restart. So now the points, I don't know if those points are valid. I don't think they've been translated, but we can move them. We can move them manually. It's not an issue. It's not an issue. We can move them. It takes a bit of time, but we can move them manually. So we need to check 20 and 21. 20 and 21. 20. And 21, and then 20 and 21. Okay, so these are the points that we are speaking about, right? These are the points. So there are two major waypoints that we need to check. Sorry, I got distracted by discussion on shadows. Okay, so these are our pad points. 124. And 125. Yes, this has not been translated. This has not been translated. So, okay, this will not be very easy. They will not be very easy because we need to understand where the hell those were. Because these transition maps do not exist anymore, right? They do not exist anymore. They really do not. So... One, one, two, three. 1, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 1, 2, 3 is a previous one. 1, 1, 2, 3 is the previous one. Wow, the road is broken here as well. I'm going the wrong direction, I guess. Ah, I have my compass. Where is my compass? Where is my compass? It is exactly what I need. Ah, that's north. Ah, okay, that's so. Okay, so I have. So yeah, I'm going the right direction then. Then I'm going the right direction, boys. I really wanted my compass. A compass is all you need. I mean, you don't need anything else. I think it's perfectly fine. Wait though. Why I'm not reaching the... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the fuck? It's pointing the opposite. No. Why is pointing the opposite? No, I cannot believe it. What? He's pointing the opposite. Uh-oh. We fucked up the compass. Do you think it's because I'm flying? I don't think so, because that's the camera. That's the camera view. Uh-oh. Wow. We have a problem with the compass, I think. I mean, it's pointing exactly the opposite of what it should. Suspicious. Very suspicious. I have no idea why. But, okay, for now, I will just pass, and that's fine. Yeah, it's pointing the opposite direction, boys. Fuck. We tested it. No, it's impossible. I don't know what happened, but something happened. I don't know. Maybe when you relog is keeping the previous rotation. No, I don't think so. I think that's really not possible. Okay, the connection we need to solve is between this and the and that part, right? So this is the connection we need to solve now. No, that's not very easy, but it is 40013, and now in the old game I hope that that point is 40013. I hope so. Let's see. No. This one is 40010. So we are before... the problem is that I don't have another waypoint. I mean, this is the only waypoint I have. 995. 995. Maybe it's this one. Maybe this one is 995. No. It's 1123. Holy shit, it's completely different. Okay. $40,009, $40,008, $40,007. So it seems that these ones are before. Okay, so probably this path we are using. $40,014. $40,014. So we said 13, right? So 13 seems to be here. Probably. 15. Oh my god, this movement in two games differently. Superato read. 14. Okay, this is 13. Right? And this is 13. Okay. No, this is 12 actually. 13 doesn't exist. in this map 13 doesn't exist because 13 was probably the first of this list. No, actually no. But anyway, I arrive up to 12. There is 12, so I don't understand why after 12 I don't have anything. That's strange, but probably because wait a second. So there is 40 012 is valid. 4013 in theory is also valid, by the way. 4013 should be also valid. They are one on top of each other or what? No, I said 13, so I'm messing up with the numbers. Yeah, 12 and 13. Up to 13 we have it. We don't have after 13. Okay, and 14 is probably because these ones... Yes. These one don't have the coordinate translated yet. Okay, but that's good. So it means that we can use... we can use 14, 15, 16, whatever. These are all in sequence for sure. Yes, exactly. So we can use all of those. They are all in sequence. 14, 15, 16, 17. These are all in sequence. And they all go through this place. So... yeah, I can just move them with no problem. So I would just pat, move, point, and then I can take my 4014, 4014. 4015, 4016. These are all valid. Now let's see when we arrive to the intersection. We arrive to the intersection. There is a waypoint before the intersection. There is a waypoint 1124. 1124. So actually we arrived to 22. We arrived to 22, which is the last one, way before the intersection. So we have a bit of a problem that we have too many waypoints in the new world compared to the old one. Because in theory... yeah. We have a bit too many. After today a waypoint, what is the percentage of the point work you have done? Good question. I would say 35%, maybe. Or 40. I think more 35. 40 0 16. So we need to reach 22. So we need to go. So actually 16 can be probably here. And 17 can be here. And 18 can be here. And 19. We have too many waypoints for this part. Too many. But anyway, because probably the road is shorter, I don't know. 21. So we need to arrive to 22 actually. And after 22, we have a waypoint. After 22, we have a waypoint. Yes. That is 113. No, wait. 1 what? 1123, yeah? 1123. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, you see we have a bit too many. I mean, it's a bit useless to have that many. But anyway, I mean, that's what it is. We can reduce them in the future, but at the moment, that's what it is. Now, from here forward, so after 1123, we have 1123. I have no idea. It seems that here we don't have any other point actually. The next point is that one. That is 40,023. 40,023, which is this guy. And then it goes into a waypoint. 40,023. 40,023. Okay. And that goes into a waypoint. Because there are some part of the map that are already okay. So for example, Hydla City is all good, so we don't have to change anything. But there are other parts that are not. So let's say that we did the majority. No, the majority. We did like 40% maybe of the one that really messed up. But I don't know. So this is 1125. Okay, this is 1125. So after that, I can go here and put 1125. By the way, I think we need those writings to be white and not black. But anyway. Okay, now that we are at the intersection, it seems that there is no path that goes to the magic shop, right? Can a tribe member explore and make new waypoints by himself? It's a bit hard to explain, but yes and no. Meaning that an NPC can so let's say a tribe can go through waypoints, right? Can go through waypoints, yes, and but it can also it's a bit hard to explain. Let's say a tribe starts in an area, okay, and the area is the only area that the tribe knows, right? Imagine that is this. Then the tribe can explore. When he explore, he uses the existing waypoints to actually explore the world, right? So the tribe maybe the first day only knows this, but then the second day knows this, right? And so he will expand the area that he knows. Now, in addition to this, we can also have free roaming area. So we can say to the tribe that apart from exploring on the waypoints, he can also explore, for example, these coordinates, this square. And here there are no waypoints. So in this area, the tribe can actually move as he wants, right? And then after moving a bit, he will return to home, right? So let's say there are both possibilities, but at the moment they are mostly going through waypoints. And if they can create new waypoints, no, they cannot create new waypoints. At the moment, no one can create new waypoints, only us. I mean, only the developers can create new waypoints, because waypoints are associated also to some information. So you may say that this waypoint is a mine, you know, or is a fighting location, or is a harvesting location, or is a home, or is whatever. So those are kind of predefined at the moment. The tribes are not that smart to see a house and make it a new waypoint for a house. Maybe in the future they can do it, but at the moment, no. At the moment, no. But it's a good question. We can expand, you know, the artificial intelligence a lot in the future, a lot. I just need to finish, you know, the porting and starting to work also on new stuff. 40024. So here we go this direction. Now here we have also another infinite set of points, because we have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We have so freaking many. Yes, 28, 29, 30, 31. I mean, these are all... Yes, these are all the ones that we have seen here, right? Until 33. Until 33, we have a million path. Yes, until 33. And then I think after 33 we have a waypoint. And the waypoint is the beginning of BD Road 1. It's the beginning of BD Road 1. So I don't know exactly how much space do I have. But... So here we are at 24, 25, 26, let's say, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 maybe, I don't know, 32 and 33. Yeah, I think that here is where we have the transition. So I think it's good. I think we have a good number, because actually we need to cover quite some ground. So I think I can also make them more spaced, right? I can space them more. Perhaps make a copy of the ant system. I don't know, ants are very organized, but not very playable, right? So we want monsters that look more intelligent than ants. Even if ants, I would say, are pretty intelligent at the end, but they are intelligent only if you sum up the intelligence of all of them, you know? $25. 26. 27. We can retouch this in the future, right? But I just want them to be kind of workable. 29. 30. 31. Until 33, huh? Yes. 32. And 33. Yes. Okay. So we place them all. Now, after 33, what happens? After 33, here in the old game, we load and we change the map. And so I guess we have one waypoint, hopefully. No, we have one path point. Okay. We don't have a waypoint in the... No, we don't. We have 34. So we continue with 34, 35, and blah, blah, blah. Now, I don't know if we have a connection, though. Because 34... We need to understand what is the first point that we have on the other side, because maybe we have more ground to cover. Because here we are in BD Road. Ah. 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 Oh. Ah. So there are some underground, there are some... There are some that... So we need to move this ones, huh? Let me just understand this one, what is it? If it's 34, it's good. This one is 35. And probably this one is 34. Okay. Good. So... Let me think about it, huh? So we arrived up to here with 33. Yeah, I think it's good anyway. We can go... Yeah. Let's go 34 like... Let's go 34 like here for a second, okay? Let's go 34 here. And then... Okay, nice. Okay, so we arrived to 34. These anyway are the hardest parts, because it's where we have connection between levels. Other parts will be easier. Or even better, maybe they will be already done, you know? Okay, so here we have a waypoint. Here we have a major waypoint. And this waypoint is 1126. 1126. And here we have 38. So from 38, okay, so we need to arrive up to 38, and then we have our waypoint. I think our waypoint is that one, by the way. So I think we don't have to, we have to put quite a number here. So 34, 35, 36, 37. I think here we are a bit too close, but anyway. And this guy is probably 38. Yes, that guy is 38. Perfect. You know what? I think we can take a bit more space here. Because then what happens? Then what happens? We have this guy. We have this guy. So here we go really on the main big road. Here we go in the main big road. Well, as long as we have enough. I don't know if we have enough though, that's the problem. Let me... Okay. Let me go, yeah, let me go 38 here. Oh, fuck. Let me go 38 here. And then we go waypoint 1126, maybe here. 1126. I'm surprised that I didn't make any mistakes up to now. It's pretty amazing. And it is 1127. Maybe the 1127 we can put it on this place, right? So we may choose in the future to go up or down. At the moment I think we cannot go up, but we can have 27 here. Because in the old map we don't have a split, right? There is no split. You just go straight to the road. There is no parallel. Well, there is a lot of stuff going on there, as you can see. But so the first split is way ahead of us, right? And I assume that probably also on this map, if we maintain kind of the same logic, yes, the first split is down there. So we have all this road to cover with the current points, but I think it's okay. And the way going up is not mapped, right? It's not in the old. So we do a path hide and we do a path display. And okay. So after that guy, that we said is 27. Now these are very, very far away from each other, but I think it's okay. $27. What? 28, yes, 28, and so on, right? So I think it will be all one after the other. So I just need to consider a bit how many we have. Yeah, you see we have one here, one there. So I think we can keep the same pace. So yeah, so I think the 28 can probably be in the middle here. Anyway, this is the most complex part because it's the outside, you know. 28 is the outdoors with completely free path. We improve the geometry here, and so it's really not corresponding to the old game. I mean, it's similar somehow. I mean, it's kind of similar, but only kind of. 29. Well, actually, there we have a few to do the rotation. So maybe we can go. We can go 29. We can go 29 here. And then we can go 30, maybe here. Assuming that they are in sequence now, there is a risk here that they are not. So if they are not, we are in trouble. But yes, they are in at least up to here. They are in sequence. The others I think are below ground. Yeah. That one is below ground. Around here. No, actually it's that one. Okay. Okay, so we take this guy, which is 31, and we move it. I think here is a good point. Okay. Then let me just check if there are any intermediate ones. Yeah, there is one there. Yeah, this part is fairly easy anyway. Because they are in, I mean, they are visible, so I don't have to go inside mountains or inside. So we do an 1132. Yeah. We do an 1132 here. Something loaded. Something loaded pretty hard. Ah, you see, this one is 41. So we changed completely the numbering for whatever reason. By the way, guys, if anyone is new, you have any question on the game or any question on Unreal, or maybe just want to say, hey, I'm using Unreal for this or that, I mean, go on. Don't be shy. I'm streaming also to interact with you a bit, so it's perfectly fine. 42. I think we can place it. Well, maybe we place it here, like mid ground. Then this seems to be already okay. $43. Maybe I move it just slightly. Hello, Richard. Still planning on porting to Unreal 5? Yeah, I think I would like to. I would like to do a test. I don't know when, because now I'm a bit busy still with this stuff, you know, which is anyway vital. So we are still busy with some of vital stuff. Like if I don't fix this path, basically our NPC cannot move on the map, and so I think that is important, right? So, and this is why I'm doing it, because I think it's a bit of a vital thing to do, like a fundamental fix to see NPC moving. And also we can use these waypoints for caravans or other, you know, generated events. So I can have a merchant caravan go through and follow this road. So I need these roads to be correct. And anyway, they were correct in the previous game, so but yes, I want to do it. I mean, I want to see how far we are from Unreal Engine 5. I really would like to see if we are super far away, you know, if everything breaks, or maybe not. Maybe everything works. Maybe we just recompile and everything is perfect, you know. Now, if that happens, that we recompile and everything works, then the question is, what do we do then? Do we want really to move or not? Do we want to go 5 or not? That's a good question. I don't know. Isn't supposed to have a tool specific for MMO RPG? No, it doesn't. But they did some improvements. Wow, the road here is a bit broken, but 46. They did some improvements to large world, is what they say, but I checked a bit I mean, what is there for real, and I was not very excited. I mean, what is there for real, right? I mean, there are, for example, we have a big issue in managing large assets, right? And they improved it by creating what they call like a one file, or one, they called it one check-in per file or something like that. One asset per file. No, one asset per one file per object, one file per object. Probably they call it one file per object. And that one is interesting, but at the same time it's a bit scary, because if I really have one file per object, I solve the check-in and check-out problem, meaning that any developer can check in and check out, you know, at any time. Even a single tree, right? Even this tree can be checked out separately and checked in separately, right? So there is a good way to collaborate, I guess, to, you know, to work in parallel, right? To work in parallel with multiple people, but on the same level. But at the same time, I'm a bit scared, because How many files? I mean, in a real project, because we are a real project at the end, right? And this is one of the complexity we have. That we have, you know, a small team, basically me. But no, it's not. It's not only me, but say a small team with a project that is having all the problem of a real project, you know, of a real game, because our world is super large. We have, you know, what, thousands of NPC, we have hundreds of quests, thousands of items, millions of rows in the database for skills and other stuff. So you know, we have a large data set, you know, to manage, and a large world, and 152, and so we need solutions, you know. We don't need to, I mean, we cannot create custom, we cannot do like real studios do, that they say, okay, I mean, Unreal Engine is just the base, and then, you know, everything else I'm going to build it on top, and they start to develop their own navigation system, their own pathfinding, their own UI elements, their own, you know, because anyway, they have money, they have developers, they have time. I mean, time meaning multiple resources, right? So our complexity is to try to make a game that is actually as complex as a real game, right? Really as complex as a real game. Now, we don't have all the fancy stuff, like our models are obviously simpler, but in terms of navigation, AI, and you know, item customization and inventory and spells and particles and dialogues, and so we have the same complexity. And so I think it's good in one side, because we are really testing the engine. So it's really evident, you know, if the engine can do this or not. Uh-oh, I think I did a mistake. I think I did a mistake. Or these two things are too far from each other. Yeah, they're a bit too far. Isn't there another one in the middle? No, there is not. I mean, the NPC can walk on this. It's not a big problem, but we'll probably look a bit stupid. But I think it can. I mean, I think this is a valid target anyway. So I think it's okay. One thing that I would like to use, for example, of EU5, which is also available in EU4, but I think in EU5 is a bit stronger, is the lakes and river system. But as usual, you know, I don't know if it's good enough and solid enough. What the hell? Here we have a waypoint that goes nowhere. We have a road that is actually different from the original, I think. No. We have a road that is different from the original. Is it possible? Because it seems to finish there. No, but it doesn't finish. Now it goes into this. And then what? It goes into this, right? And then it finishes. Very strange. No, there is something. Well, maybe we walk the wall BD Road 1. Maybe we walk the wall BD Road 1. Because we are still in BD Road 1, but maybe here we start BD Road 2. No, we don't start BD Road 2. Here we have a problem. Because something was changed. And maybe it's that location. Yeah, it could be that location. That at the moment is not connected. Let me see in the old game. Let me see in the old game. The problem is that we covered a lot of ground. So, so we went left. Did we go left or not? I have no idea. Wait. I completely lost myself while speaking. So yes, we came from that direction, right? We came from under those two rocks, I think, and there was actually, yes, these two rocks. Those two rocks are these two rocks, I think. No. Well, maybe. I completely lost myself. Okay. The problem is that, yeah, we are coming from this direction, right? And there is a big curve. And I think we followed only one of the two paths. So we came from here and we went right. Yes, we came from here and we went right. Now, in this, we came from here. And we went right, so we went this way. Oh, no, I cannot do this in this game. I need to see what is this waypoint. But yeah, I think that we need to go into this kind of rounding rounder. And I don't see this rounding round here. Unless it's this guy. But we missed the... I don't know, it seems very different actually. I think it's this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one. But we don't have any path going there. Maybe they're all underground. Yeah, maybe they're all underground. Maybe they're all underground. Let me check that. Whee! Boom. No. Well. No. We don't go this direction at all. Ay, we have a problem, boys. You know what is the problem? The problem is that now it's too late and I need to go. So I will continue this tomorrow. We continue this tomorrow, but we made good progress. We mapped a lot of the Oja Road and we arrived to the main city, and then we exit from the north side of the main city and we did a lot of the BD Road connection up to here, and now we still have to go north, BD Road 2, then we have to go left to go Granted and north again to the Bronze Door. So it's a long way, but piece by piece we will do it. Okay, and then we will see if one NPC can navigate through the wall map. So we'll ask him, we'll ask that NPC to start from Oja and go to Bronze Doors. I don't know, something like that. And we will see if the guy is going through everything. In theory, should. In theory, should be able to. But I think we never tested it that way. But I think the ultimate goal is to allow one NPC to go through the whole map, right? Just by waypoints. Okay, with that said, I think I'm going to bed. See you tomorrow evening around 9:30 my time, which is Central European time. And if you want to leave a follow, that would be very appreciated on Twitch. Also, if you want to click and subscribe on YouTube, that would be nice. And if you want to help us a bit more, you can go to patreon.com/planeshift, where you can test the game and download the alpha. If you become a Patreon, you can download the alpha, and also you get some perks on Discord and access to the supporter channel, and you get some videos that I'm posting from time to time. I'm not posting since quite some time, but anyway, you get the previous videos at least. Yeah. If you can take the beer for the quest in BD, this can be good. Yes, exactly. We can ask them to do the quest for us. It would be nice to have a merchant that goes all the way through. I don't know, with a caravan, you know, and with the horses, with the Rivnaks. I think it would be very nice. I think that will probably be the first thing that I will test. Let's see. It can be a generated event, right? So a generated event can start a caravan and having go through the map and then disappear at a certain point. That would be very, 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 very nice. I mean, we are not there yet because there is some development to do, but that would be nice. Oh, I didn't start the little guys. No, I didn't start the little guys. Okay. See you boys and girls next time. Bye bye.